Today, we will export the data from a questionnaire so we can process it outside of Catglobe. Normally, the reporting system would supply results needed to interpret how the questionnaire went, but sometimes we just want to get the data in its raw format. To help with the usage of various external systems, we support many file types such as CSV, Excel, SPSS and many others. We will return to our razor example, where like any baking show, we have prepared the end result for your convenience. First, expand our questionnaire and click on the Export Data. The Export Data box will appear. In this window we can pick both which formats to export, and the individual options for each export format. The two most common format to export to is CSV, which is a text file format where each column is separated by commas. And even though that can be opened in Excel easily, many prefer the native Excel format. Other formats can be found by clicking Advanced. We will focus on CSV and Excel in this video. You can read more about other advanced format on our wiki site. Checking each format will expand the corresponding options. The default exporting without checking any option will include all questionnaire answer sheet data like ID, start date, end date, status, all answer of respondent, etc. Now we will go into details on individual export options. First are respondent phone numbers, address, account info and email. These data will be included in the exported file if they are checked. For example, checking respondent account info will include respondent first name, middle name, last name, etc. Checking respondent address will include respondent country, region, zip code, address, etc. Next is use option text instead of value. As its name, when it is checked, the answer options text will be used instead of answer options value. For example, if it's checked, the data will be presented like this. And if unchecking, the data is like this. We'll move to option use comma separated format, which allows us to determine how the data of the multiple choice questions will be shown. Let's take the example with question brand knowledge. If this option is checked, the data will be shown like this. And vice versa. The last option will include question text to your exported file. These will be included when this option is checked. Please note that this is only be used for Excel file. After choosing format and corresponding options, just click on OK. And then OK again on Download Ready box. All chosen format will be compressed into one file. CSV file will look like this. Excel file will look like this. Please note that after exporting, the system will store your choice of formats and options for the next use. That concludes this video. Thanks for your time and see you next time.